Welcome home, my child, from all your toil and care.
Welcome home, my child, my Lord to me will say. Welcome home, my child, one great eternal day. I'll praise His name throughout eternity. When He says to me, my child, welcome home.
When at last I end this life with its trouble and its strife, and my friends are gathered round to say goodbye, now don't weep and cry for me. Soon my Jesus I will see, and I'll hear Him say, my child,